Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kriti Sanon, the stunning Bollywood actress, has always been a fashion icon, effortlessly blending elegance, modernity, and a touch of playfulness in her style. Her fashion choices are a perfect reflection of her vibrant personality, and when paired with her impeccable makeup looks, she never fails to leave a lasting impression. Whether she's gracing the red carpet, attending a high-profile event, or starring in a glamorous photo shoot, her fashion and makeup game is always on point. Her fashion sense is a beautiful mix of contemporary trends and timeless classics. She often opts for outfits that highlight her tall, statuesque frame, and she isn't afraid to experiment with bold colors, intricate patterns, and unique silhouettes. For instance, she has been spotted in stunning lehengas adorned with intricate embroidery, making her the epitome of ethnic elegance. Designers like Manish Malhotra, Sabyasachi, and Anita Dongre seem to be her go-to choices for traditional wear, as she often dons their creations with grace and poise. Her Western wardrobe is equally impressive. She has been seen rocking chic pantsuits, flowy gowns, and edgy jumpsuits that showcase her versatility. Her ability to transition from a glamorous diva in a sequined gown to a casual yet stylish star in a pair of high-waisted jeans and a crop top is truly commendable. When it comes to makeup, her looks are always fresh, radiant, and perfectly suited to the occasion. Her makeup artists often emphasize her natural beauty, opting for dewy foundations, soft blushes, and highlighter to give her that lit-from-within glow. Her makeup is usually more dramatic, with bold winged eyeliner, smoky eyes, and perfectly contoured features. Her eyes, which are one of her most striking features, are often accentuated with shimmery eyeshadows and volumizing mascara, making them pop in every frame. Her lips are usually kept in nude or soft pink shades for a natural look, but she isn't shy to experiment with bold reds or deep berries for a more dramatic effect. In photo shoots, her fashion and makeup choices are carefully curated to create a cohesive and visually stunning narrative. Whether she's channeling old Hollywood glamour in a vintage-inspired gown with retro waves and red lips, or embracing a modern, minimalist look with a monochrome outfit and barely their makeup, Kriti knows how to make every photoshoot memorable. Her ability to adapt to different themes and styles is a testament to her versatility as a fashion icon. Her style has evolved significantly since her debut in Bollywood. In her early days, she leaned towards simpler, more understated looks that highlighted her natural beauty. Think pastel-colored anarkalis, minimalistic jewelry, and soft, natural makeup with a focus on glowing skin. As she gained confidence and carved a niche for herself in the industry, her fashion choices became more daring and experimental. Kriti is known for her ability to pull off high-fashion looks with ease, whether it's a dramatic cape gown, a structured blazer dress, or a heavily embellished lehenga. Her makeup evolution is equally noteworthy. While she initially stuck to the no-makeup look, she has since embraced bolder choices, such as metallic eyeshadows, graphic eyeliner, and bold lip colors. This evolution reflects her growing confidence and her willingness to take risks, both on and off the screen. Her wardrobe is a testament to her close collaboration with some of the biggest names in fashion. Designers like Manish Malhotra, Sabyasachi Mukherjee, and Tarun Tahiliani have created custom pieces for her, each tailored to highlight her personality and physique. For instance, Manish Malhotra's creations often feature intricate embroidery in luxurious fabrics, which Kriti carries with unmatched grace. Sabyasachi's designs, known for their rich textures and vintage appeal, add a regal touch to her ethnic looks. In the realm of Western fashion, she has been spotted in outfits by international designers like Zaher Murad, Ralph and Russo, and Michael Cinco. These designers are known for their avant-garde designs, and Kriti's ability to carry their creations with confidence speaks volumes about her fashion prowess. Whether it's a flowing gown with intricate beadwork or a sleek pantsuit with sharp tailoring, the actress makes every outfit her own. Her photoshoots are more than just glamorous pictures. They are a form of storytelling. Each shoot is carefully curated to reflect a specific theme or mood, and Kriti's fashion and makeup choices play a crucial role in bringing these themes to life. Kriti might be seen in flared pants, a retro blouse, and voluminous hair, with makeup featuring bold eyeliner and glossy lips. In contrast, a futuristic theme might call for metallic outfits, sharp contouring, and avant-garde accessories. The makeup was kept minimal, with a focus on glowing skin and soft pink lips, creating a dreamy, almost otherworldly effect. Another shoot showcased her in bold, monochrome outfits with dramatic makeup, including smoky eyes and dark lips, exuding power and confidence. While Kriti is known for her versatility, there are certain elements that define her signature style. She has a penchant for off-shoulder and deep neckline outfits, which highlight her toned shoulders and collarbones. She also loves experimenting with different textures, from velvet and silk to sequins and lace. When it comes to accessories, Kriti often opts for statement pieces, such as chunky earrings or a bold clutch, to add a touch of glamour to her look. Her makeup style is equally distinctive. Her makeup artists often focus on creating a flawless base, with a dewy finish that enhances her natural radiance. Her eyebrows are always well groomed, framing her face perfectly, and her eyes are often accentuated with kohl or shimmer. Whether she's going for a natural look or something more dramatic, her makeup always complements her outfit and the overall theme of the shoot. Kriti Sanong's red carpet appearances are a masterclass in glamour. She knows how to make a statement without overpowering her natural beauty. For instance, at award shows and film festivals, she often opts for floor-length gowns with intricate detailing, paired with elegant updos or soft waves. Her makeup for these events is usually classic and sophisticated, with a focus on defined eyes and a bold lip. She believes that fashion is not just about wearing the latest trends but about feeling comfortable and confident in what you wear. This philosophy shines through in her every appearance, whether she's dressed in a glamorous gown or a simple kurta. The actress often emphasizes the importance of owning your look and carrying it with pride, a lesson that resonates with her fans. Her confidence allows her to experiment with bold colors, unconventional silhouettes, and daring makeup looks, making her a true trendsetter. Her style choices have a significant impact on fashion trends, especially among young women. Her ability to mix high-end designer wear with accessible, affordable fashion makes her relatable to a wide audience. For instance, her love for pastel-colored lehengas has sparked a trend among brides-to-be, while her casual airport looks often feature high-street brands that fans can easily replicate. Her makeup looks, particularly her glowing skin and bold eyeliner, have also become go-to inspirations for beauty enthusiasts. One of her most iconic fashion moments was her appearance in a pastel pink lehenga by Manish Malhotra, which became an instant sensation. The outfit, paired with soft, dewy makeup and minimal jewelry, redefined bridal fashion, proving that less can indeed be more. Similarly, her choice of monochrome outfits and structured blazers has influenced many to embrace minimalist yet powerful fashion. Her approach to sustainability is subtle yet impactful, inspiring her fans to make more conscious fashion choices. For instance, she has been seen repurposing her saris and lehengas by pairing them with different blouses or accessories, giving them a fresh look every time. This not only showcases her creativity but also highlights the importance of reducing waste in the fashion industry. Her makeup looks are never an afterthought, they are carefully curated to complement her outfits and the overall theme of her appearance. Her makeup artists often use techniques like color theory to ensure that her makeup harmonizes with her outfit. Her ability to pull off such diverse makeup styles while maintaining her natural charm is a testament to her versatility. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.